Hidden deep within the mountains of Luanchuan County in Henan Province lies Wangxian Valley, a place where nature and legend intertwine. Here, emerald cliffs rise through the mist, waterfalls whisper across ancient rocks, and every breeze seems to carry an old story. It's known as one of China's most beautiful natural valleys, stretching over 20 square kilometers of pristine landscape. Travelers come here not only for the breathtaking views, but also for the mysterious charm that seems to live in every corner. The feeling that time itself has slowed down. Locals say the name Wangxian means to gaze upon the immortals. Some believe that long ago Taoist sages meditated here, seeking eternal wisdom among the clouds. Welcome to Wangxian Valley, a land of beauty, myth, and tranquility. Let's explore together its geography, people, culture, and the vision shaping its future. Wangxian Valley is located in the southwestern part of Henan Province, about 200 kilometers from Zhengzhou. It sits between mountain ranges that belong to the Funyu Mountains, known for their unique karst formations, lush vegetation, and clear rivers. The valley has a mild, temperate climate, with warm summers, cool winters, and frequent mist that adds to its dreamlike atmosphere. One of its highlights is the Wangxian Waterfall, a majestic stream of silver cascading down a 150-meter cliff. Visitors often say it feels like standing beneath the sky's tears. Another attraction is the Glass Skywalk, a breathtaking platform where you can look straight down into the valley below. And here's an interesting tale. Legend says that an immortal once descended upon this valley to play the flute. The sound was so beautiful that mountains and rivers stopped moving to listen. Can you imagine that moment? If you could witness it, what melody do you think would fill the air? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The surrounding region is home to a mix of Han Chinese and smaller ethnic communities who have lived here for generations. Their daily life is simple and closely connected to the land. Farming, tea cultivation, and traditional crafts are still part of local identity. Visitors often notice how warm and welcoming the locals are. Many small inns and homestays are family-run, offering authentic home-cooked meals and stories of mountain folklore. Cultural festivals also take place throughout the year. From Taoist temple fairs to folk music gatherings that echo through the valley's cliffs. The main language spoken is Mandarin, though older villagers often use a local dialect rich in ancient expressions. If you're enjoying this journey into one of China's hidden gems, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep exploring these magical places. Wangxian Valley's economy is deeply tied to tourism. But unlike many other destinations, it has chosen a sustainable path. Local authorities have focused on ecotourism, protecting the environment while creating jobs for local people. Small hydropower systems, green transportation, and digital ticketing platforms have made tourism here more efficient and less invasive. Compared to heavily industrialized regions like Shenzhen or Chengdu, Wangxian Valley stands as a symbol of slow growth. One that values clean air, clear water, and human connection more than speed. This balance between preservation and progress makes Wangxian Valley an example for future eco-development across China. Unlike bustling cities filled with skyscrapers, Wangxian Valley's charm lies in its simplicity. Architecture here respects nature. Wooden lodges and bamboo bridges blend seamlessly into the mountains. Recent projects have improved accessibility without disturbing the landscape. New mountain roads, scenic cable cars, and green shuttle buses make it easier for travelers to reach the valley. At the same time, modern design has entered quietly. Solar-powered lights along the trails, and digital guides accessible via smartphones. It's a delicate harmony between tradition and technology, one that allows people to enjoy the wilderness while keeping it wild. Wangxian Valley might not be as famous as Zhangjiajie or Huangshan, but it plays an important role in promoting ecotourism in central China. It has become a model for sustainable tourism, proving that small regions can thrive without sacrificing their natural heritage. For travelers, it represents a new kind of experience, less about luxury, more about reconnecting with the earth. And for the world, it's a reminder that even in a rapidly modernizing country, there are still sacred places untouched by time. If Zhangjiajie is China's crown jewel, then Wangxian Valley is its quiet, beating heart. Looking ahead, local officials aim to transform Wangxian Valley into an international ecotourism destination. Plans include improving digital infrastructure, training local guides in multiple languages, and hosting global environmental forums. However, the main focus remains preservation. Keeping the valley's forests, rivers, and wildlife safe from overdevelopment. There's also an increasing push toward cultural revitalization, encouraging young people to return home and continue their ancestors' crafts and traditions. The vision is clear: to build a future where nature, people, and progress exist in perfect balance. Have you ever visited Wangxian Valley? Was it the mist-covered mountains, the legends of immortals, or the peaceful sound of waterfalls that captured your heart? Tell me in the comments below. Your stories make these places come alive. And if you enjoyed this journey through one of China's most magical valleys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the hidden wonders of China. Until next time, keep your heart open, because sometimes the most extraordinary places are the quietest ones.